So today we got a Spirit Halloween box, and this is a doll, and its name is called the Roaming Antique Doll. Today we're gonna open it up and see how its action moves goes on. Do you want to help me open this up, Ada?
Yeah.
Want to help me? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Heavy.
So this is the Roaming Antique Doll. She has a blue dress, black hair, little freckle thing, and her face is cracked like an actual doll. So it seems like my brother Aiden is taller than this doll, but they are almost the same height.
Oh, how did this happen?
How did this happen?
Yeah.
How does she turn into that doll?
Yeah. Yeah, how did this happen, Dr. Boo Boo?
So the story about her is that a long time ago, she was a foster child. She had a foster family, mom and dad, brothers and sisters. But one day, she had no attention, and all she wanted was attention. But she wanted to get revenge one night when her mommy and daddy were sleeping. So she turned on the stove and fire went everywhere. And she fired everything up in the village, and she wanted to kill everybody in the village by lighting up fire in their house. And all she ever wanted was attention from her own family, but she never got that. And this is how she turned out.
Daddy, I want batteries.
Batteries?
What? That's better.
This is right here, the turn on button. Can you switch it to the left right here? So put your finger
No,
here.
you said to do.
Okay.
Go ahead, try. Don't bother trying to get out of here. You'll never get out of here. Ready or not, here I come. No hiding, Penny.
Okay, watch me give her one.
Go ahead, try.
See, we're giving her attention. And that's all she ever
Don't
wanted.
bother trying to get out of here. You'll never get out of here. Ready or not, here I come.
Don't worry.
I won't bite.
I think this doll is very awesome and cool. Like, literally her eyes glow bloodshot blue, and she spins, and she has wheels on the bottom, which makes her moves beautiful, perfect. She's just awesome to me.
How do you like her dress?
Her dress is nice.
I think you had something like that when you were her age.
She has little flowers on it. There's others on it. Some flames. She has buttons, a blue ribbon.
For me. Go ahead, try.
She even has black hair.
Don't bother trying to get out of here.
That's
Never
right.
get out of here. Ready or not, here I come.
Come a little closer. I just want to hug you. Don't worry.
I won't